I was asked this week, what's the most often asked question you get on Ask an Attorney over the years? Started broadcasting in 1984. I think it's the longest running continual program in Florida. I would say the most often asked question deals with person moves to Florida or is relocated to Florida maybe recently or some time ago, and they have out-of-state documents, and they want to know if their out-of-state documents will be valid in Florida. Well, that's a concern. You want to make sure your documents are up to date. You want to make sure your documents are going to work wherever you are. The answer to that is most likely they're valid. However, they need to be reviewed. I get questions like that, and I don't really know if the person did it themselves, if they did it online, if they had an attorney do it, a paralegal do it, a next door neighbor do it. There are many different ways to get documents done, so if I just automatically assume that an attorney did it, that doesn't even totally answer the question. Was it an estate planning attorney? The laws might be different in the state that you moved from than Florida. The laws are different about witnesses and notaries, and there are a lot of different ways to look at it. So a document really needs to be reviewed. Most of the time, I would say would be a valid document, and better. It would be a valid document in Florida, but it could have been done better, or if you redid it in Florida with a codicil or a change to the will. And by the way, do you know that your will, whether it's drawn in Florida or some other state, is going to go through probate if you die with an asset just in your name? So those are all things to talk about.